Looking to enjoy SiriusXM through your vehicle's existing stereo without the hassle? This device offers a simple DIY installation that plugs right into your car, delivering crystal clear sound and a full-color display that shows program details, channel info, album art, and channel logos. It's designed to enhance your listening experience without complicated setups. What makes this even better? One subscription lets you take SiriusXM anywhere, whether you're at home, in the office, outdoors, or driving multiple vehicles. No need to juggle different accounts or subscriptions. Plus, you can browse other channels while still enjoying your current one, making it easier to find exactly what you want without interrupting your music or shows. I was hesitant at first, sticking with my streaming-only package for a year, using my phone's Bluetooth and FM receiver in the car. It worked, but the sound quality was inconsistent and the setup wasn't exactly convenient. When the price dropped during Prime Day, I decided it was time to upgrade, and I'm glad I did. Switching from streaming only to the full SiriusXM radio service was surprisingly smooth. I handled it through their website chat, where they offered a better deal than the box price, just $4.99 a month for the next year, compared to $16.99 normally. They made the process easy and even took care of the switch for me right then and there. What you get is a straightforward way to enjoy SiriusXM's full features with improved sound quality and a vibrant display that keeps you informed. The ability to use one subscription across multiple locations adds flexibility that matters, especially if you want consistent entertainment wherever you go. If you've been relying on streaming through your phone or other makeshift solutions, this upgrade is worth a look. It's a practical, cost-effective way to get more from your SiriusXM subscription without the usual headaches of installation or switching devices. Ready for a better listening experience? This device delivers on convenience, sound quality, and visual appeal, all while saving you money on your subscription. Try it when you're ready to make your car, home, or office a SiriusXM hotspot with minimal effort.